everyone, I'm Zarina. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy apple rosettes using our Thermomix and the cutter accessory. Okay, so firstly what we need are cooking apples. Cut each apple down into half like this. Sit it down and cut it into half horizontally and core the middle and cut the two sides down so that it can fit the cutter. So we're going to use the slicing function of the cutter now. Start putting the apples in this way, down. Start it with the thick function, okay, and push it down. So we've sliced it to this thickness under the thick mode. So now you need to cook your sliced apples with some sugar, some water and some lemon juice until they turn translucent. Okay. So when they turn translucent, they will look like this. So now we've got a puff pastry sheet. So what you do is you just use a scraper. So you cut it into half first, and then every half you have 2 more cuts, so there are 6 pieces in total. I've got cinnamon powder, and I'm going to just generously sprinkle it on. And I've got my cooked apple slices, which are already cooled down. Yeah, look how nice they are. So I'm just going to assemble it. Just overlap them, one on top of another. So after you have assembled overlapping apple slices on the left side of the strip, bring the strip up and envelope to close up the apple slices. And then I've got melted butter, which you can then brush on it. So let's roll up. And you are very quickly done. So now we've got the rosettes in a muffin pan, and we're just going to egg wash and then bake it at 180 degrees fan for about half an hour. Alright, so here we have, this is the final product. Isn't it pretty? So now everyone can make these easy and quick apple rosettes. If you like it, please try and tag us on Thermomix Singapore social media. Thank you for watching. See you!